everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and so beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. Many much more ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and different ideas of hairstyling. So stylish overall ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in low maintenance: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step undercut. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, in fine hairstyle and messy hairstyle, and mostly ideas in undercut and shaved art. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas funky colors, and so stylish overall collection. Overall ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll get back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.